What's up, guys? We're gonna go bird hunting with a red ryder. So let's do this. And I got my red ryder in my barn right now. So let's go to the what was that? So as you can see, there's a pasture right here. There's a little field right here, as you can see, and we've got birds like everywhere, like in the field. And it's ground. It's okay, we gotta go through this way. So right here we got red ryder. Right there. Big old red ryder. Alright. I'll see you in the next clip. So I'm gonna do a little practice with Biggie. Did you just see that? Okay, did y'all see that? Okay, we're gonna go bird hunting. I just got in it some more practice. Bye. Okay, so I got the red ryder, and we're just gonna sit here for a little bit. We're just gonna wait for some seabirds to come out. They come out rarely. They come out really like. They just come out. They come out after the afternoon. So I hear some chirping. I'm so sorry that y'all there. It's my fault. Okay. Got the phone. Y'all are on some Bob Ryder, so gotta be extra quiet. Alright, whatever. So we're gonna go to the other. Okay, is it loaded? So we're gonna go to the other side of the pasture. And we basically gotta cross for a creek. Don't make fun of my fit because I'm just broke, okay? I'm broke, so yeah, I'm country too, so don't make I'm not nowhere near a gangster, and I don't do that stuff. But yeah, see, there's like trails in our pasture. As you can hear, you hear all the crickets chirping. All right, so we're on this side. Okay, that scared the crap out of me. So as you can see, there's a trail, and then you gotta really watch out because you can see that there's a creek right here. See all that? See all that? See all those little bubbles? I think those are like mosquitoes. Or those are bubbles, just random bubbles. It just goes. See? So like it's like a little tricky thing. See, there's a creek, goes all the way over here. Goes all the way. I mean far out. It goes all the way over here. And then it goes all the way over here and it just ends. You can't say it's a creek, but see, ugh, it smells like sewage. All right. What is this pipe? Wait, where's this pipeline to? Look. Oh my gosh. See, look, that's the ending of the creek. Look, it's really cool. Look, there's water right there. Oh, that's the part of the creek. As you can see, it's, oh my freaking gosh, that was a bird. Holy mac. Oh my gosh, did you see that? See, it's a little creek right here. And it just has like, here, let me cock my gun. I'll show y'all an example. See, as you can see, I got my gun. And watch this. See, look. It bubbles because there's a hole in it. Oh my gosh, it is really a creek. It is a creek. I thought it wasn't a creek. I thought it was a creek. I kind of believed it wasn't a creek. But it is. It's the water flowing. So, I want to get a minnow trap to see. I want to get a minnow trap, but I don't think this is a creek though. I don't know if it's a creek or not. It's like, there's like a little pipe. It's like a little pipe, and I don't know where it leads. See, look. Pipe. Oh, poison ivy.